blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. What is the true measure of faith? In fact, it is easy to say that faith is found in how active we are in church or how faithfully we are in serving the ministries and how often we showed up. But Jesus, He reminds us that faith is not only inside the church walls. It is revealed in how deeply we show our love outside the church. In Matthew 25 verse 40, Jesus says, "Whatever you did for the one of my brothers and sisters, you did it for me." And what does this mean? When we are feeding the hungry, we are feeding Jesus. When we visit the sick, we are visiting Jesus. When we lift up the heart of those broken-hearted, we touch the heart of Jesus Himself. Remember this, God does not ignore your worship. In fact, He is delighted in it. But the scripture is telling us something more powerful because God is moved with your compassion. Proverbs 19 verse 17, it is said, "Whoever is kind to the poor lends to the Lord." Imagine that every time we extend our help into somebody who is needing it, heaven sees it as a personal act towards Jesus. Your kindness becomes worship. Your compassion, it becomes an offering. Because the church is not just a building. The church becomes alive when we carry that love beyond that door and into the lives of someone who needs it most. And this is when your faith becomes real. And this is when Jesus is being seen in your life. Hope this enlightens our faith, and thank you for listening. To God be the glory.